Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to preview your website on Webflow before publishing it. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the options that you can access in Webflow. As you can see here, we can see all of the websites that we have already created, and here we have the button to go ahead and create a new website if we want. But for today's video guys, I'm going to be using this website right here that I have already created called YouTube Tutorials. So let's go ahead and open up the website by clicking on it right here, clicking on Open Designer. After clicking on the website guys, now this will open up the website in the page, and as you can see now we are greeted by both the left side and the right side of the screen, which are different. And the left side of the screen you can use this options right here to add new elements and options to your website, such as you can add grids and containers, sections and so on. You can manage your components, you have even your settings option right here and so on. And if you look at the right side of the screen, here you have the option to edit and manage those components and elements that you will add. You can see the style option right here that will enable you to manage the elements. You have the element settings right here and so on. So guys, let's say that now we are finished with editing our website and we want to preview how it looks before publishing it. So all we have to do guys is go right here into the upper left corner and find this option that looks like an eye. And as you can see, it will say toggle preview. So we're going to go ahead and click on that option right there. And after clicking on that option, now this will open up the website and how it will look to other people. So now we are previewing the website. We can see if everything looks good and everything seems good, and if it looks just as we have created it. So if we want to leave the preview, if we are finished, all we have to do is go back and click on the eye again, and now we will open up the designer mode again. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.